Welcome to our in-depth review of the Audi A4, a luxury sedan that blends performance, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. If you're considering an elegant yet sporty ride, the Audi A4 is a strong contender, offering a premium driving experience with top-tier features. The Audi A4 is a compact executive car produced by the German automaker Audi, part of the Volkswagen Group. Known for its refined aesthetics and advanced engineering, the A4 has been a staple in the luxury sedan segment since its debut in the mid-1990s. The latest model continues the legacy with a sleek design, powerful performance, and a tech-laden interior that caters to modern drivers. Starting with the exterior, the Audi A4 features a bold, aggressive stance complemented by its signature single-frame grille. The sharp LED headlights and daytime running lights give it a futuristic appeal, while the sculpted lines running across the body enhance its aerodynamics. The dynamic turn signals and matrix LED technology, available in higher trims, provide improved visibility and an unmistakable presence on the road. The A4's overall design exudes elegance and sportiness, striking a perfect balance between sophistication and athleticism. With a variety of alloy wheel options and an array of exterior color choices, Audi allows buyers to personalize their A4 to match their preferences. Under the hood, the Audi A4 offers a selection of turbocharged engines that deliver a blend of power and efficiency. The standard 2.0-liter TFSI engine is available in multiple power outputs, ranging from 201 to 261 horsepower, depending on the trim level. This engine is paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, available in higher trims, provides enhanced traction and stability, making the A4 an excellent performer in various driving conditions. The suspension system strikes a fine balance between comfort and agility, ensuring a refined ride quality while maintaining precise handling. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Audi A4 offers a dynamic driving experience with excellent road manners. Stepping inside, the Audi A4 boasts a luxurious and driver-focused cabin with high-quality materials and impeccable craftsmanship. The interior is adorned with premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and soft-touch surfaces, exuding a sense of opulence. The cockpit is designed with a minimalist yet highly functional layout, featuring Audi's Virtual Cockpit, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that provides customizable displays, including navigation, performance stats, and infotainment options. The center console houses a 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Audi's intuitive MMI interface. The ambient lighting system, tri-zone climate control, and heated and ventilated seats add to the comfort and sophistication of the A4's interior. Rear passengers also enjoy ample legroom and comfort, making the A4 an ideal choice for both drivers and passengers alike. When it comes to pricing, the Audi A4 offers excellent value within the luxury sedan segment. The base model typically starts at around $40,000, with higher trims and additional features pushing the price upwards to $50,000 or more, depending on the customization options chosen. Optional packages, such as the S-Line package, add sport